Hey, what's going on, Crypto Warriors, and welcome back. I am King,
And I'm Bitcoin Zay.
and of course, you've seen us on the Gentleman of Crypto every day, Monday through Friday at 10ish. But
Tennis.
today we are doing a special review. This isn't going to be an ICO review. This is actually just a token review. It is a sponsored review. However, we are still going to be objective and unbiased in our analysis. But of course, we're saying that so you know to do your own research as well and not just take what we say as face value. This is what we think about this token. And speaking of which, today's token is LOC token. LOC token is traded on the HIT BTC, Gatecoin, Mercotex, Ether Delta, and Yobit. Here you can kind of see what it is. It's the first hotel booking and vacation rental marketplace with 0% commission. And actually, in April of this year, March or April, they're looking to launch an iOS and Android app for easier booking through their mobile devices. In May of 2018, they're hoping to have a beta version launch with the decentralized app integration, built-in wallet management, and instant fiat to LOC exchange through API connectivity with exchanges. But again, the main reason why everybody wants to know about this bad boy is to talk price. So let me go ahead and bring up the price chart here. Currently is $1.39. And you can kind of see if we want to launch that. Launched at about what 69, 70 cents.
Yep, hit exchanges at 69 cents. So pretty low price, and also at a Bitcoin price, pretty low as well. So, well, if you're looking to get into it, a couple things you want to look at with new tokens or tokens that have just come out. They are in the middle of price discovery most of the time. However, some of the things you want to look for is one, a low supply. That's one of the biggest selling points with a lot of tokens because when demand outdoes supply, you see that price increase. For example, with XZC, that coin only has 21 million, went from 36 cents to $40. Skycoin, we've seen the same thing with 83 cents beginning on exchanges to $15 with a $25 million limit. Also Dash, if people remember, Dash was as low as 78 cents at one point and it's now at $600. And they only have 7.9 million coins in circulation. So low cap coin, low price is one of the biggest selling points. Also, the growth potential. Some of the psychology of trading is what can grow the most. And even if you don't want to hold it for a long term or if you don't want to use it, it does have value to people who think that it can grow exponentially. So you can see that as a part of your trading. They are trying to enter into a big market that's worth over 500 billion right now. The traveling market and the fact that they have a working product, they have basically entered into the market. So they have, international landscape. They do have it in America where we are. So that is good. So whenever you look at that type of growth in their company, you can see that with the price point they have, the growth from here on out may be a lot more. So from a TA side point right now, it's sort of in a sideways movement with low volume. And it's an accumulation period, I would say, simply because it doesn't seem to break that point, as you can see. And from a BTC standpoint, the local low right now is at about 10,000 Satoshis. And right now the price is at about 14,000 Satoshis. So as an investor, if I was looking at getting into it in order to hold just for a trade, I would definitely say that the price point can go up at least to about $10 from here, in my opinion, simply because the growth potential, the industry that it's in, the supply that it has, and the fact that right now it's at a very, very close to bottom point. So
Wait. Stop that. Okay, hold on. You're telling me you sincerely believe this coin can go to $10?
it has the potential to absolutely hit $10, yes, in USD, and then in Bitcoin prices at the same percentage growth, yes.
Okay. And again, you said that comes from you think it's already bottomed out. We haven't seen another altcoin cycle since this thing hit because it did release in what, November, I think it ended. So it might.
Yeah, it entered in December right before the last big growth, and we saw it hit close to $5 just off the initial offering. So
Okay, so without a working product then already, basically, and without the iOS app and everything, we already saw it at $5. So you think, okay, it's kind of bottomed out right now around $1.57 or about 14,000 Satoshi. And you're
mhm.
saying that with the next big pump or next big product update or anything of that sort, then at a fair price could be a $10 coin.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And in my opinion, I wouldn't overshoot it to say that it's going to change the world. But in this industry, the ability to pay outside of a centralized source is valuable to people around the world. So we'll see if they hold up their end of the bargain as far as the company progressing. However, I will say from a price standpoint, by the end of this year, we could see it at $10. Yes, absolutely.
All right. Well, again, people, this is going to be a very short review. We just wanted to give you some information about what LOC token is, what it could be. Right now, again, it's at 14,000 Satoshi, about $1.57, kind of teetering around there. Bitcoin Zay says he think it could be a $10 token just based off the TA of it, which, hey, again, it isn't that big, pretty 1,000 or whatever dollar token some people always look at. But hey, as far as the return on it right now, you're talking about almost 9 times your return, 10 times your return by year's end in this token.
Yeah, no sweat putting a small amount of your trading supply in there. If you have a small amount of your portfolio allocated towards small cap or low price coins, this will be one that I would put a small amount in. So you don't want to ever go throw the house at it. But yes, I would definitely look at this being one of the ones with good growth potential.
All right. Well, hey, people, you heard it. You heard Bitcoin Zay. I know we already discussed we might actually put a small amount of our own in there too. Just check it out. Because hey, we don't, like I said, these are our objective analysis, whether they're sponsor reviews or not. We do take a peek into some things. We do our due diligence. And again, from a trader standpoint, it's not about falling in love with a coin or falling in love with the project. It's about how can we make our money back. So, and I agree with a lot of his analysis as well. And it's still early on, and this is the lowest of the low as far as all the FUD that's been coming out of crypto. So I would love to see this coin in a bull market and see what happens.
Oh yeah,
absolutely. All right, again, people, you can find that LOC token at HIT, BTC, Gatecoin, Mercatex, Ether, Delta, and Yobit. And then the last thing we forgot to mention is that's just saying they don't get added to a big exchange. You know, these folks get added to Binance or Bittrex and any of that. I mean, just off the way it goes, you already know we can see a spike in the price from there. So, all right, I look forward to it. Again, I am King.
Oh yeah, and I'm Bitcoin Zay.
You can see us Monday through Friday at 10ish for the Gentlemen of Crypto, and this was a sponsor review for LOC token. Please remember to do your own research as well, folks. Thank you and take care.